So many things happening around us right now. We should not really forget about this season, which is Christmas, which is the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ, because this is our chance to actually give back. So sa lahat po ng patuloy na sumusuporta sa Noel Bazaar, maraming salamat sa inyo. And sa dami po na nangyaring kalamidad sa atin, we need more events like this, and we need more people like you guys who's here today para matulungan po kaming maging successful ang mga ganitong klaseng events na nagagawa natin para sa community natin.